Two-factor authentication, not working on MarketWatch app fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the MarketWatch app, you're not alone. This is a common issue that happens when there's a small glitch in syncing, message delivery, or app settings. The good news: it's usually easy to fix. Let's start with the most common cause: incorrect time synchronization. Two-factor authentication codes rely on precise timing. If your phone's time is even slightly off, your code may be rejected. Go into your phone settings, enable Set Time automatically, and check that your time zone is accurate. Next, check your Authenticator app. Whether you use Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator, make sure the app's clock is synced. In Google Authenticator, you can tap Settings, then Time Correction for codes, and choose Sync Now. If you're receiving your codes via SMS, but they're delayed or not arriving, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, turn off your VPN, and make sure Do Not Disturb is disabled. Also, check that you haven't accidentally blocked MarketWatch's verification messages. If you've recently upgraded your phone or reinstalled the MarketWatch app, your two-factor authentication might need to be reset. To do this, select Can't Access Your Code on the login screen and follow the steps to verify your identity and set up VPN again. It's also smart to update your MarketWatch app. Developers often push small patches that fix login and security bugs. If you're already up to date, uninstall and reinstall the app to clear corrupted data. Once you've checked your time, synced your authenticator, and ensured you're using the latest version, your two-factor authentication should start working perfectly again. Remember, MarketWatch's feature is designed to protect your personal and financial data, so keeping it functional isn't just convenient, it's essential for your account security.